In this first simulation, we use the original CCO method. The robot in black flies among obstacles in blue. When the robot and an obstacle turn red, it means that collision have occurred between the spheres that enclose the robot and the obstacle, and consequently, the method have failed. In the second simulation, we use the proposed method. You will see that by observing the obstacle's maximum accelerations, the proposed method is able to better guide the vehicle without collision.